What's up guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. So today I already loaded up my Cameo 3 cutter with the black heat transfer vinyl. Again, I use Sizer easily. You can buy it off of Amazon. I think it's the quickest way to get it to your hands. And the machine's already done cutting, but before we go into the video, I just want to give a brief background of what's happening today. I'm actually going to be pressing a combo set of a hoodie and joggers, and it's actually for my friend Tisha, and this is a surprise for her because her birthday is actually coming up really quickly. So I'm making this for her, but enough talking, right? So the vinyl is already done cutting, so sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, and one more thing. The hoodie and jogger combo set is from Bella Canvas. So if you guys don't already know, top 3 brands that I use is Independent Trading Company, Bella Canvas, and Next Level. So those are the only ones that I work with. So yeah, let's get to the fucking video.